we have a rabbit. Very cool. Dennis is very, very excited. Here, hold him for a sec. Don't let him pull you. I gotta zoom it out a bit. Whoop. That's all right. There's Brody going.
At least we have
all three of them.
guys. Our searching team lost them.
Our searching team lost him. He got in there.
Somehow.
Well done, rabbit.
Well done.
Well done,
Oh,
buddy.
look at this, guys.
Oh, a heron.
Look at that.
On top of the log. The big one standing up.
This way, Luke. Can you see it?
The heron on top of it.
No, it's a heron.
A heron, dear.
The one with the long legs. And long wigs. Wigs? Wow, thanks, Mom. Long beak and long wings. Or wigs. Okay, let's go see more. Let's go. Ben, what else do you see? Yeah.
you
Hi,
look-
Seagull.
Hi, Seagull.
I wonder if it was one of the babies from across.
Yeah. I nearly hit with my car.
Yeah, that would have been cool to have on dash cam.
What?
Remember when the baby seagulls were learning to fly?
Yeah.
And remember we were coming home from our walk and one came flying right up to Grandma's van and just went whoosh in time.
And like this. Out of the way.
No, it went up over. Yeah. What, you couldn't go up and over? What the heck, dude?
Is that what the seagull's like?
Yeah.
You can't fly.
What the heck? It was just learning. It was a baby. Huge babies, though. Yeah.
They'll eat your face off. They're so big. They're like a seagull and an eagle combined.
Whoa. I think they're just seagulls, and they say mine, mine, mine.
Now, now, now. Feed, feed, feed. Me, me, me. Why? Cow,
Fenris
cow,
was
cow.
very good today. He stayed when I told him to.
My niece Jaden cries all the time and screams.
Okay. You don't want to say that on here. Say nice things about people.
Okay.
That's what we want to do. We want to talk about the good stuff.
There's the giant bunny trail.
Well, that's a trail, all right. Wonder whose it is.
Doink, doink, doink.
What?
Funny, yesterday when I went for x-rays,
Uh-huh.
and
My poor mom hurt her leg, and she's still out doing her hiking or her walking.
our number was called and it all started laughing.
Oh my goodness. Is this one of your favorite trails, Luke? How come? There are some picnic tables. Nature, yeah, nature. Wildlife. We see more wildlife here, I think.
Beaver. I saw a beaver.
Beaver, yeah, beavers. What did we see this morning? Ducks.
Ducks.
And then the bunny rabbit.
The bunny rabbit. And
Heron.
yesterday, if you watched the
Seagull.
yesterday video, triple rainbow.
Rainbows, yeah.
You
I get to see a little bit more water or wildlife, water, and nature. Yep. There are
Awesome.
picnic tables if you want to come have a picnic. There are washrooms. It's dog friendly. Two things. Yep. All right, what were you saying? Keep your dog on a leash sometimes?
Yep. Not all times.
All time. Well, we don't have our dogs on a leash.
I know. I mean, like all times when you see wildlife.
Oh, yes. You have to keep control of them.
Yeah.
Always. You always have to have
Also,
control of your
just
dog.
Go chase it. Because,
Yeah.
You know they're faster than beavers, turtles.
I don't know.
except
Beavers in the water will get away from them. But Fen won't even go in the water. There's the washrooms. Here's a nice bench.
Beavers, if they're right here.
All right. So if you
Actually
want to...
beat the crap out of Fen.
Okay. If you want to see more videos.
Then subscribe, share, and like.
Say bye.
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 Bye, Grandma. Bye, Brody. Bye, Roku. Fenris. Fenris. Come say goodbye.